Welcome back to Boating Journey. This week, we thought we'd give you a behind-the-scenes look at what it's really like touring boats during a boat show before we make it look all pretty for you. The brand new Northman 1300 trawler is a potential loop boat, but between lots of people on board, copyrighted music playing in the background, and speaking with the manufacturer's rep, it isn't so easy to cleanly gather all the footage we need to do a proper tour. So enjoy this week's peek behind the curtain, and if you like it, let us know in the comments.
No height on it, but I have.
Yeah, bridge clearance, 10'4".
This kind of trawler, and this is the first unit USA distributor. The model is 13 meters, and also they take our premium because
I like this little thing here.
Let's drop for you.
also can you buy engines.
Oh, okay.
Always.
It's a little tight through here. But it does have good handrails right here. So we've got this little sun pad area. And you can sit here to have a cocktail. Oh, it's hard. I started filming because I didn't know if you were filming.
I appreciate you. No, I'm not.
Okay. So I like this little area.
Yeah. So you can have a whole sunpad or it allows light inside as well.
Right? This is side, okay.
Go up. Interesting. Good job, baby. Okay.
And then you have solar.
You have solar there.
Oh,
Does it offer a bimini option?
Yes.
Okay.
Or shoe.
See, that's what you
sit-
want. You'd
can
want.
you steer okay?
Oh yeah.
That's like the world's smallest
Yeah.
little.
It's got bow and stern thrusters. You could have one or two engines, however you want to configure it. How many watts of solar is that?
Is 1,000. 1,000.
1,000? Okay. Yeah.
You've got, looks like a fridge here, freezer. At this point, YouTube flagged the music that was playing on the boat. So I added another music track to mask the copyrighted material. This would be your galley. Outdoor space.
Okay, so is this engine room access here? Okay.
The same.
Gotcha.
So here the kitchen that you can choose what you want.
Whatever is
A little bit of wasted space right here.
Here we have a washing machine.
Oh, Al, check this out. You got your washing machine right here.
But you can put also dishwasher. Depends what you prefer.
I like that.
Wash your
for the,
dishes.
for the
It's
great
easier.
loop.
Yeah.
Storage. Okay, here.
Cooktop, double cooktop. You got an
Oven.
exhaust fan right there, which is nice.
And a little oven.
Little oven.
No microwave.
No, you can put also.
You could put a small one, yeah.
Or the Yacht combo.
Oh, convection microwave.
Yep.
Column face here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a good size.
Yes. Here we have a double table that you can.
I like that you can fold these
Yeah.
over.
Gives you lots of space, functional space.
Yep.
In case you can put down and have another bed.
Oh, you can convert this to a bunk. Okay.
You put down, you put the cushions.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
I like that's got handles here.
Yep.
And then
I like the you got the pilot
also
door.
this is very important. This is very important. Also, for example, you can
Okay, so this must be. The only catch is this is a
also use
V-berth master, which could get really noisy.
but you know, you are in the sea. You can.
Sure. Look.
What does it mean? Good visibility.
Oh, this is the closet.
From here, you can see everything. Yeah. Also, the people that come.
It's your closet. There's no drawer. So there's really no storage other than one locker. There's a little bit of storage over here. But not a whole lot. I suppose there's none on the
So you have
bed.
2 bathrooms in the middle.
Oh, okay. Okay, so you have that's toilet and that's a wet head.
Cabin.
Oh, this is the other cabin.
Yes.
Oh, okay. That's the gal cave.
Oh, just a mirror.
Yeah.
This is just another mirror.
Oh, I see. You have another cabin here.
You could use that for storage.
Yeah, 100%.
Let me see how that's set up. Same exact.
Yeah, it's just the one. It's a little bit different. But yeah, you can choose one of these for your storage. Again, because how many people are you going to have on board?
Yeah, because you're really short on closet space. And the only thing is, remember, that is a forward master, because that could be noisy.
Oh, that's true. But, you know, if it's your boat, you can make any of them your master.
Let me look in here. Door? Oh, it is a cow's cave. I see what you're saying.
I mean, they both are. Yeah. But, and we're looking for something that could do the great loop. The great loop, not the great loop. And this would be perfect because it's got the
Controllers.
No, it's a nice mix.
I'm guessing you probably don't. Well, we hope you liked this week's behind-the-scenes look at what it takes to bring you all these boat tours. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell. And leave us a comment to let us know if you'd like to see more of these raw footage tours. See you next time!